Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. These new upgrades are Samsung's biggest bet yet. The new Galaxy S27 Ultra camera leaked setup confirms a massive hardware change breakthrough. Samsung's next Galaxy S27 Ultra is poised to redefine expectations in the flagship smartphone market. Here is Galaxy S27 Ultra's new 3-lenses rear camera system close-up. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra is gearing up to redefine expectations in the future flagship smartphone market. With its announcement scheduled for January 2027, the new camera system of the Samsung S27 Ultra is shaping up to be one of its most compelling features. Samsung is reportedly transitioning from a 4-camera setup to a streamlined 3-camera configuration on the rear. This design shift could enhance both the device's aesthetics and its photographic capabilities, reflecting a focus on efficiency and quality. Here are the key rumored camera upgrades, which will include a new 200-megapixel main camera, engineered to capture unparalleled detail and clarity in every shot. Second, a versatile 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with autofocus, ideal for capturing expansive landscapes and group photos. And third, a powerful new 50-megapixel telephoto lens, offering 5x optical zoom, allowing users to photograph distant subjects with remarkable precision. The front selfie camera is also expected to see a significant enhancement. New leaks suggest that a new 16-megapixel square sensor will replace the current design, promising sharper selfies and improved low-light performance. These upgrades reflect Samsung's dedication to staying ahead in the competitive smartphone photography space, catering to users who demand exceptional image quality and versatility. While the final design remains under wraps, early leaks and indications suggest that the new Samsung S27 Ultra will retain the sleek, minimalist aesthetic of its predecessor, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Under the hood, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to deliver a series of targeted hardware improvements aimed at enhancing performance and reliability. The device is rumored to retain its robust 5000 mAh battery size, making sure dependable all-day usage for even the most demanding users. It is expected that the new Galaxy S27 series will launch early next year, between January and February 2027. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.